Joe McCoy with that story. Meteorologist Anthony Bordenero joins us in the backyard now with what we can see going into the work week ahead weather-wise. Anthony.
Well, Jack, it's going to start off very comfortable. We're talking about low humidity, but then just at about Tuesday night, that's when we start seeing the humidity ramp up, and it's going to feel like full-on summertime. But speaking about purple rain and prints, I'm going to show you the amount of rainfall that we've gotten over the last 2 weeks. It hasn't been a lot. Yesterday, we saw some reports about a half an inch, maybe a little bit more of rain here in our backyard. We got about a tenth. And that's creating a bit of troubles in the creeks and streams. Here's a view of Ledges Hotel just inside of Hawley. And speaking about the creeks and streams, we have this graphic that we usually talk about flooding rainfall, but we can also look at the current status of the river level. So you can see very, very low along the Lackawanna River. So if you kayaked this week, you definitely noticed that. It was a beautiful weekend nonetheless, but you can see those low river levels there along the lower Susquehanna branch as well. Today was a fantastic day by itself, 79 degrees in the Scranton area, 85 in Williamsport. So yeah, there are some warmer areas, and tomorrow will be pretty much a rinse and repeat of today. But like we were talking about, both heat and humidity increasing. Lows will be near 70 degrees in the tail end of the week. We got 2 more cool nights ahead, tonight and tomorrow, before the humidity and the low temperatures start to creeping up for us a little bit. But right now, high pressure is in. There's that cold front that passed through yesterday that provided those storms. And there's that humid air. You can see those storms bubbling up. In fact, in Huntsville, they got about 5 to 6 inches of rain today. That's how humid and concentrated that air mass is right now. But again, we are clear as a bone for a lot of our areas, just seeing that north wind, that cooler air settling in. So here are your temperatures across the board. Some spots in the 50s. Wellsboro, you're at 59. Harvey's Lake, though, you're at 60. Lock Haven at 70. Lewisburg at 70. Now areas further south, you'll be in the mid and upper 50s tomorrow morning. Areas further north will be in the lower and middle 50s. In our backyard, calling for 54 degrees with a mainly clear sky. We continue those clear skies for tomorrow afternoon. Take a look at those sun icons. It's going to be probably the best day of the week. I think it's going to be a callback to those less humid days we had mostly of last week as well. Here are your high temperatures for tomorrow. Most of us staying in the 70s. If you're in the Susquehanna Valley, you may briefly touch 80 degrees, but other than that, we're looking at a fairly seasonal day. Normal high temperature 78 for tomorrow's date. They're your mainly clear skies now. Earlier, we've been dealing with problems with this with our modeling, but everything's fixed now. Just want to let you know. But clear skies for tomorrow, nothing really to track, even into Tuesday night. But into Wednesday morning, we'll start see it right there. Those couple of scattered showers. We'll see a round or two of rainfall into Wednesday afternoon. So here's early on Wednesday. Here's mid-morning Wednesday, and then a couple popcorn showers possible through the afternoon, and that's going to be the theme through Thursday and then Friday as well. Last week's humidity was here. Next week's humidity, we're talking about the real summertime stuff. So get that AC working if it's not working just yet, or those fans, make sure they're all good, because we'll be talking about heat index values near 100 degrees. So that's that type of air. You don't want to spend an extended period of time outside. And then we'll be tracking a cool down for next weekend. So here's that warm front lifting north. That's the interjection of humidity. And there's your scattering of bubbling thunderstorms. And then Friday, indications are we'll see a front pass through and the humidity will drop a little bit. We'll still see warm temperatures next week, Jack, but the humidity looks like it's going to fall next week. Thursday and Friday are going to be hot and humid days. If you need to get that yard work done, the best idea will be to get it done early in the week before it becomes more unbearable to be outside on Thursday and Friday. A lot of stuff this week, Jack.
Anthony, thank you very much.